I think 2018 is an important year. It's the centenary of when women were first given the right to vote in this country. It took another 10 years for them to get the vote on the same terms as men. And then 50 years ago, in 1968, it was the strike by the sewing machinists at Ford Dagenham that led to the Equality Act in 1970. And this was the first legislation that talked about equality. And it's remarkable that 48 years later, women still earn less than men. I think the law can provide a framework for equality, but what we need is real equality that matters on a day-to-day basis. We need to tackle unconscious bias and stereotyping, which often starts at early age in our school years. And it's the subjects that girls are encouraged to take and study, and the career paths that they are encouraged to follow. And more importantly, it's how women are perceived in the workplace, once they decide to have children. Flexible working is great, but in 2018, I only have the right to request flexible working. I don't have the right to work flexibly. The Equality and Human Rights Commission estimates that 54,000 mothers a year are forced to leave their jobs after they become pregnant. That's a serious waste of talent in this country. I think the gender pay gap in the UK is largely attributable to the fact that women have childcare and caring responsibilities. This pay gap widens for women in their mid-30s, and this is probably likely because this is the age when women have childcare or caring responsibilities, and it's at this point in their careers they request flexible working. And if you are fortunate enough to get flexible working, sometimes women can develop a sense of gratitude, and gratefulness sort of sets in. Not wanting to rock the boat in what was once a career with good prospects can soon become a job with a downward trajectory, and this is where the pay gap grows and widens. I think there needs to be proper investment into high quality and affordable childcare. We need to have better paid leave provisions for fathers and carers. And importantly, I think we need to have pay transparency. Gender pay gap reporting is not enough. Sadly, in my lifetime, women will not be paid equally with men. I hope in my son's lifetime it might happen. Equality is a struggle, but equality is about dignity, and equality is our right. Equal means equal.